Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is my try-on haul with Zara. Hi guys, hope you're all doing great today. I know I was supposed to do my Shein try-on haul today. What happened is my ceiling was actually leaking this week. Water came on my big iMac, my MacBook Pro, my hard drives. It was such a mess, to be honest, so I didn't really have time to prepare, and my Shein try-on haul is kind of big. So instead I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just going to do my Zara Try-On Haul first, just because this one is smaller and just easier for me to prepare. I ordered a few things from the sale section, but also from the new collection, so I just wanted to go quickly through everything and tell you what I think about these pieces. I went with like neutral colors as always. It's just easier for me. I'm just really into neutral for so many reasons, but also because I realized that I don't get tired of them, so this is the main reason why I keep buying neutral. So we're gonna start with this little piece here. This is a trend that is coming back this year. I am so happy about this. I love vests. I think they make an outfit stand out so much. It's beautiful, it's really chic. So this was from the limited edition collection from Zara. It was, I think, originally $80. I got this one on sale for maybe $30. I would usually wear this with a super nice pair of trousers and maybe like an oversized white shirt. I don't have any today, they're not ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try it over my black cashmere. Is this too big? No, that's fine. Obviously this is not the right outfit for this, but I think the vest is beautiful. It's really nice. Quality is actually great. I'm actually in love with this. I love the color. So yeah, definitely this with like an oversized white shirt. I think this would be very nice. This, by the way, is not my usual size. This is a bit too big. This, yeah, it's a medium. I think I would have preferred an extra small, but it was sold out and I still wanted the vest because it was so cheap compared to the original price. Definitely stay with your size when it comes to vest. I think it's not something you want oversized. It looks weird like this, for example, but I know I'm going to be able to wear it and find a way to make it look good. But what I would usually suggest is definitely, if you're like an extra small, keep an extra small, like just stay with an extra small. They need to fit perfectly, I find. So you have, for example, an extra small vest and then this very oversized white shirt, and it's gonna look really nice. So this is slightly too big for me, but I think I'm gonna find a way to make it look nice. But definitely something I would recommend. But take your size, very important when it comes to vest. So next item I'm going to try is this teddy bear super cute jacket. Well, it looks like, yeah, they call it fleece coat. I'm really in love with it. I actually love the inside. It's like a fake suede. It looks so comfortable. Oh, this is big. I love this. This is so nice. It's really cute, really comfortable. The only thing I would say is that I would be scared to wash it, so definitely will bring this piece to a professional just to make sure I don't ruin it. I love this. It's really nice. It's really soft. Moving on to two accessories I bought. I just want to show you first before I talk to you about something else. I took this little hat here. Kind of like it. I don't like my hair today, so obviously this will have to be fixed eventually. The hat is actually quite nice. The hat is super cute, and the idea was to actually wear the hat with my new socks, my new knit dress that, by the way, I was really disappointed with the quality of the knit. Doesn't look good. So you can actually see some imperfection on the dress, and it really feels like it's the kind of fabric where you're gonna wash it and it's just gonna get ruined in a second. So this dress I really don't think I'm going to keep. It's a shame though, because I think it's going to look really nice. So I'm just going to try it now. Also, I wanted to wear the dress with my new boots. Kind of obsessed with the boots, so I'm going to try these as well. I actually love the dress so much, and I'm a bit disappointed about the quality. I'm still thinking if I'm going to keep it, just because I love the length. I actually love the shape a lot, but I'm just really scared to wash this, to be honest. It's like, I love it, but at the same time I know that as soon as I wash it, this is gone. The idea was to create this kind of super cozy look, but I don't know if it's going to work all together. I look funny, I have to admit. I think I look a bit too funny here. Just to show you, all at once, I look so funny like this. I have to say that I feel very comfortable. I'm trying the boots. Okay, for some reason, I'm usually a 39 from Zara when it comes to boots and shoes, and it's been like a year now. I've been ordering boots from them. I've been ordering 38 just because now 39 is so big for some reason. 38 now is not too big, so I don't know what you're doing, Zara, but honestly you need to fix this because this is not normal. I'm not a 37, and I feel like in these boots I would have to wear a 37, which for me doesn't make any sense. I'm going to show you this look with the black boots instead. Now I'm going to try my ribbed crop top here with snake print trousers. Very excited about this, by the way. This I got it on sale for like $8, I think, so kind of super happy with this. Obviously I'm gonna wear, I think, this little coat here over it just because I'm not ready to like show my white, super white arms. Just gonna wear this quickly. I actually love the rib top. This is beautiful. The rib top is actually perfect. I think it was an extra small. It's really nice. Even during summer, I think I'm gonna wear it. Trousers or slightly too big here, but this part here is kind of big, but maybe I can actually make it work with boots or something. So the trousers I'm really not sure about. I love them, it's just I really feel like they're too big for me. But the print and the feel is actually, the fabric is actually amazing. It's not too thick, so I was very worried about this because sometimes snake print trousers are really thick and it's just so uncomfortable, but these ones are actually very thin. I think these are beautiful, as long as obviously your size is perfect and fits. Well, same thing with the vest, basically. It's like too big. I have this issue for some reason. Every single time I pick something, I love the oversized look, but sometimes it's just way too much. So I have a problem. Every single thing now is like too big for me. It's like just a thing. I'm just gonna change my bottom now for this pair of jeans here. So this is the classic mom fit. Hopefully they fit because I love them so much. They look amazing. I really like this because it really fits super nicely here, but it's kind of loose on the legs, so you really are comfortable. It's like I can move around with no problems. The color is great, the quality is amazing. I love the rose gold detail. This is definitely a keeper. Now I'm just going to try my last item. I was obviously thinking about this piece more in the summer, not right now, but I think it was on sale. So this is probably why I took it, because the original price was $46, but I don't think I paid that for sure. This was on sale, I'm 100% sure. This is really cute. I'm gonna try it with the jeans. I don't know how it's going to fit with the jeans, but I think this during summer could actually be a very nice piece. So I'm just gonna try it now. Is it nice? Yeah, it's kind of cute. It is a nice top. I'm not saying this is not nice. I'm just not like dying over it. But I think when you know how to wear this, this could actually be beautiful. It's just, I think I have so much clothes, so I'm thinking, okay, do I really need this? Just because of how it looks from the side, I might keep it. You know what? I think this is a keeper. I'm gonna try to find a way to make it look extra nice. This part here, the neckline, is actually really nice because it really allows you to put something like a nice necklace, something super dainty and beautiful, like a gold piece of jewelry from Ana Luisa, for example. From my previous video, if you go to my favorite accessories at the moment, I think I was showing you a bunch of pieces from Ana Luisa. They are very dainty, gold and super delicate, so this is definitely a brand I would recommend. I think this is a keeper as well. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this. I'm going to share everything. I'm going to share the size, prices as well, things I got on sale. I'm going to try to see if they have similar items. I'm going to put a link. But yeah, this was super quick and easy. The only thing I don't think I'm going to keep, dress, obviously no. Boots, very disappointed because of the size, but if they have my size, I might buy them again. I'm not sure. Hat, I'm going to keep. Jeans, definitely keeping. This is a keeper. The trousers, I think I'm going to try them with different things, and I'm going to see if, even though they're oversized, I can still find a way to make them work, because I actually love the snake print trousers a lot. So if they have something super similar this season, because this, like I said, was on sale, I would highly recommend the snake print. I think it's super cool. I think this is it for today, guys. I know it was super quick, but I didn't buy a lot of pieces. I just wanted to show you what I got, and I was really excited. So yeah, the dress, like I said, is probably one of my favorite, but quality is the worst. So it's like, I don't know if I'm going to, I don't know. You pick what you prefer. So thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, I just made a group on Telegram. It's called Fashion Bloggers Community. So you can follow the group and you can actually share tips, tricks with girls. It's a brand new group, so obviously we're not a lot of members yet, but I'm going to put the link in the description box. So if you want to follow the group, it's actually wonderful. If you have, even if you're a blogger, for example, and you want to share your tips, your videos, your articles, things you do on a daily basis, and you know, tips that can actually help women get dressed in the morning, they'll be wonderful. So I'm going to put the link in the description box, so you can just click and join the group, and hopefully we can also chat together. So you know, if you have question, anything, you can actually ask me. You can also read my blog, www.tantecafé.com, or follow me on Instagram at Tantecafé. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon with my Shein Try-On haul, and this time it will really be my Shein Try-On haul, I promise. So thank you guys so much. Bye everyone.